watch.
All right, here he comes.
Golden Knight jumper. Begin to separate a little bit closer to Earth. Then we will see the recovery teams run out now.
Oh, there's two of them there. Wow, I didn't even realize.
Touch the ground. This is still will be treated with all of the love and care.
Look at that.
Of a flag, but this is so big that it's considered a banner, which means it can't touch. So don't be alarmed when you see this happening. They've already thought that through. That's right. Any moment we'll see the break. There we go.
Outstanding.
Golden Knight separates.
And the ground is a great reflector of sound, so you can make all sorts of noise. They'll hear you loud and clear.
Woo!